I've always been fascinated by the story of Jesus, a tale that has shaped the course of human history. Today, we embark on an incredible expedition, exploring the life of this extraordinary figure using the power of AI-generated imagery. Amidst the rolling hills of ancient Judea, a story unfolds that will change the course of history. Jesus is born in Bethlehem, fulfilling age-old prophecies of a coming Messiah. The air is thick with anticipation as we witness the humble surroundings of his birth, a stark contrast to the celestial signs that herald his arrival. The night sky blazes with an otherworldly light, guiding shepherds and wise men alike to this momentous event. But this joyous beginning soon gives way to a looming threat. King Herod, his paranoia fueled by whispers of a new king, unleashes a horrific massacre. In a moment of divine guidance, Joseph and Mary, their hearts pounding with fear and hope, flee under the cover of darkness to Egypt with the infant Jesus. The desert sands shift beneath their feet as they narrowly escape the impending doom, their faith guiding them to safety. As Jesus grows, his wisdom becomes apparent, defying his years. At just 12 years old, he stands in the temple, his young voice resonating with profound understanding that leaves scholars in awe. Fast forward to his 30th year, and we witness the beginning of a ministry that will transform countless lives. Jesus' hands touch the sick, and we watch in amazement as blind eyes open to see the world anew. Water shimmers and transforms into rich, red wine. Even death itself retreats at his command, as the once still form of Lazarus stirs with renewed life. His teachings, often delivered through simple yet powerful parables, paint vivid pictures in the minds of people from all walks of life. As Jesus' influence grows, so does the opposition against him. Judas, one of his own disciples, betrays him with a kiss. Jesus faces false accusations and an unjust trial, the angry shouts of the crowd a stark contrast to his calm demeanor. In a display of love and forgiveness that defies human understanding, Jesus endures the agony of crucifixion, taking upon himself the sins of humanity. The sky darkens and the earth trembles as he breathes his last. But death cannot hold him. 3 days later, the tomb is found empty, and Jesus appears to his followers, resurrected and triumphant. His final promise of the Holy Spirit ensures that his teachings and presence will continue to guide and inspire believers for generations to come, a legacy that echoes through time. As our journey through the life of Jesus comes to an end, I'm left in awe of the profound impact this single life has had on human history. His message of love, forgiveness, and faith continues to resonate across cultures and generations, a timeless beacon of hope. As we reflect on this extraordinary story, may we find inspiration in Jesus' teachings and the enduring power of faith, carrying with us the wonder and majesty of a tale that has shaped the world.